Hello and welcome everyone. Steve here with TradeForexForProfit.com. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. We're looking at the AUDCAD on the 4-hour time frame. This is a break check that just formed right here. It's a sell opportunity. We have 1, 2, 3 candles that have pushed back and touched that entry line. The very first of which moved through, I think, about 25% into the sell zone. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is your ceiling, if you will, that was built. The market then pushes through, checks to see if it's going to hold. And again, this was, as this candle was forming, it was a bearish candle. All right, the market closes, or I'm sorry, that period closes. It engulfs, and this area is clearly rejected. I jumped in with a buy there. However, comma, the market just went a little higher, took us out right here on this black candle. We are now looking at getting back in the market. So what are we doing? We are going to watch for the market to tell us which way it's going to go next, right? Clearly. And we have all of our patterns and signals that will do just that. And this is what happens. We break through this level with this black candle that took us out. The market checks this level again right here and rejects it. All right, now we're seeing the pullbacks for the sell. And I'm just going to go to T1, and I'll tell you why. It's been a while since we've been lower than that key level. Okay, I'm zoomed out to January of this year. So additionally, we're seeing this push here and then the move lower with a huge response. However, this negative move here, I believe we're going to see a fall and a test of this level before deciding which way it's going to go from there. But if you look at the overall move, generally the market will move down or up. Okay, let's look at this. It moves up until you see something like this, where we see a big top and then it's taken out. Kind of like what we saw here. The market moves down until we see this big bottom and then it's taken out. Okay, so generally that's the reversal. However, in this particular case, I'm not going to assume anything. I'm going to trade exactly what the market tells me to trade. And in this case, this is a break check and I'm short. Welcome back, everyone. Approximately 10 to 12 hours has passed since we recorded the first video here, and the market plummeted as expected right through this low, this bounce low. And exactly when it hits it, look what happens. We see the bounce. It begins to bounce back, and now we're moving below the level. So again, like I spoke of earlier, this is going to be a key area where I want to take my 2 times profit and exit the market and wait for it to tell us what it's going to do next. Okay, if it checks this level, which is what it looks like it's going to do right now, we're going to get in a sell. If we see some type of a bullish engulf, we're going to be buying. We're going to wait for the market to tell us what it's going to do next. Okay, so a very simple system. You just learn the patterns, you learn the signals, and then it's redundancy in the market. Okay, so if you like what you see on the break check, click on the link. There's a video on the screen to the left that will take you to more break check patterns. If you want to subscribe, the link is right there on the right side of the screen right now. Come over to TradeForexForProfit.com. Check us out. There is a free section where you can learn quite a bit before you join, and we hope to see you guys on the inside soon.